I will put on stage first Imre-Gustav from R8tech.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I am well. Just a moment, I will share my screen also.
Cool. So where are you located? We have people
I'm
from all
located
over the world
in Tallinn, in Estonia.
Estonia, wow, nice.
Yes. It's just
Yes,
there now.
there it is.
But anyway, so you can see it.
Yes, I can see. If you put it on presentation mode, then
So,
we also have a big screen.
And
Yes,
now
there it
you
is.
should see a full screen.
I see you and I see the presentation, so that's very good.
So, excellent. Then I can start.
Yes, good luck.
Thank you. And once again, good evening, everybody. My name is Imre-Gustav and I am a team member of R8 Technologies. R8 Technologies is a PropTech company with headquarters in Estonia, like we talked with Waters already. And today, actually, I would like to start with history. Have you ever seen The Jazz Singer? The film was released by Warner Bros. In 1927, and it changed the film industry forever. How? It was the first synchronized sound feature film. The Jazz Singer was a real success story based on humans, technologies, risks, and benefits. But the film's success didn't change the industry overnight. Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer's head of production, Erwin Thalberg, called the film a good Jimmy, but that's all it was. All the four, humans, technologies, risk and benefits, are the stars of my story as well. And of course, there is one more star, real estate. For the next, I'm going to present you a real case study to show what can be achieved with PropTech. Then, I would jump to the position we are now and talk about benefits from PropTech. And after that, I would introduce some difficulties in launching new technologies and give some ideas how to overcome these. And this is a case study I promised for you. A modern office building in Estonia, built 2 years ago. It has an advanced automation system, almost 3,000 controllable heating, ventilating and cooling components, and 50,000 data points. It is clear that no human operator can run the system the most optimal way, but R8 Technologies can. As a result, we were able to increase indoor comfort from 60% level to 90% level and save over 30% of total energy. Cutting over 200 tons of CO2 emission in 4 months is a remarkable number also, and all this without any investment on additional hardware. And this is not the only case. Here, you can see a short list of some more satisfied clients of R8 Technologies: shopping malls, hotels, office buildings. How is it possible? For the first step, we integrate our software as a building automation system remotely, according to the highest IT security standards. It doesn't matter what brand of building automation system you have, we are able to connect it on a secure way. Our solution is a cloud-based software. We use the data of the BMS to create valuable insight. Also, we use data-driven just settings to optimize comfort levels and energy usage. And the most important, all decisions of our artificial intelligence, we call it R8 Digital Operator, are made according to 3 main key performance indicators: energy efficiency, indoor comfort, and building's technical condition. With that, we are able to make sure your heating, ventilating, and cooling system is running as it should be, at the most efficient way. To summarize, this is PropTech, property technologies driving the fourth industrial revolution. Real estate as an asset, as an industry, is not immune to the innovations made possible by the fourth industrial revolution. How well are real estate owners and managers prepared for that? The global PropTech survey 2019 prepared. On the positive side, it could be pointed out that 95% of real estate companies have someone responsible for leading digital transformation and innovation. However, in 65% of cases, it isn't a digital technology specialist. To summarize these results, it's not too bad, but there is a long way to go. I hereby present 3 slides about benefits that can be achieved from PropTech based on one company only. Financial benefits are the easiest to measure and present always. Energy savings or higher value of your real estate, numbers talk. Operational benefits come from solutions that help to do some work more efficiently or more comfortably. In some cases, this can also be transformed to figures, but not so easily. Well-being and image are very interesting benefits. How to measure indoor comfort increase in euros? Or let's take just CO2. If there is too much CO2 in your room, you don't feel good. You can't make so good decisions. How much would it cost? And from the other aspect, CO2 reduction is a global challenge, but at the same time, it has no direct relation to your profit statement. Like I mentioned, it's a list of benefits from one PropTech solution only. How long could be the list with different solutions? So we know there are different benefits about PropTech. We started with R8 digital operator a couple of years ago, and we believed that all real estate managers were happy about that and eager to use it. We were so naive. Where are the bottlenecks? The lack of long-term technological strategy is surely one of the key challenges. Yes, this really is a complicated topic. Launching new technologies, especially in an era of fast changes, presumes relevant way of thinking as well as ability to learn and adapt and readiness for changes. During our sales, we have faced many different denials. Four most typical amongst these are here. Number one, we already have an excellent technical solution. Correct. 5 years ago, this was the latest word in technology, and it took enormous time to learn using it. And if it works well, but is it still efficient? Number two, we don't have time for this, having so many current issues to solve. Correct again. If the roof is leaking, emptying buckets and wash bowls takes all the time. But maybe it's worth to find some time and fix the leakage. Number three, our budget has been confirmed already. I agree again. If the budget has been approved, then it's easier to work. But do we work for our financial department or for our clients? And number four, someone already visited us and offered the same thing, but it was no use. I have to agree again. Just in most of cases, we have found out that it was something totally different, or it was several years ago already, so the technology has developed a lot from that. Maybe it's a good time to check it again. I know it's annoying to start using new technologies. For me also. I am the one who started to use a smartphone only because my photo camera got broken. I was pushed to start using a more advanced laptop because our CEO strongly recommended me. And now I'm talking about new technologies. Besides an annoy, there is one more important factor, risk. Each new technology surely involves risks. To avoid or minimize these risks, we possess an ability to think and choose, but the base for that is a strategy, to be or not to be. Before the overview of some risks, I would like to remind that there is another challenge while launching new technologies. The existing infrastructure may not be suitable for that purpose. This could be software incompatibility, lack of any cabling, various requirements of different equipment manufacturers, and so on. And now some words about risks. Risk hedging is an integral part of our daily business activities. I hereby would point out 4 different risks. Organizational risks. This involves the specification of needs and opportunities of different interest groups. Who is involved as regards the new solution? Are all interest groups involved, and what are their interests? There are different critical issues. The wider involvement in the initial stage of the project is surely a retarding factor, but it pays off in times during the course of the project. Technological risks. What are the consequences if the technology is not operating as expected, or even stops working? Does the chosen technology enable the continuous technological development, including also cooperation with third parties? Have the security risks, one of the most important topics of today's digital world, been hedged? Naturally, the list is much longer. Financial risks. Which are the financial risks? Is it possible to hedge these risks, and to which extent? Today, more and more solutions without the need of major investments are offered. For example, the fee of software as a service licenses is often directly dependent on the added value provided by the relevant service. And legal risks. It's also options to continue, terminate, or change the cooperation with the technology provider if needed. And the final, most important question, what is the best solution by considering all above risks in making the choice? A minor recommendation, one should just start from somewhere to gain from the benefits offered by PropTech. The more the related risk can be hedged, the better the results will be. I finished. Thank you for your time, and I hope you had well used 10 minutes. Goodbye.
Thank you very much, Imre. Thank you for that great presentation.